In my video guide, I will provide you with instructions on how to effectively remove the scary pop-ups that come from the site load.redtechportal.com. Load.redtechportal.com is a deceptive website that may display pretty scary messages on your desktop. This particular website tries to trick you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. The pop-up indicates that your PC is infected with 5 viruses and that some immediate action is required. In fact, the very same message appears in all other computers that are infected by adware, causing these pop-ups. So each time the pop-up says that your PC is infected with 5 viruses, and the number of these viruses is just the same, 5 viruses, which is absolutely illogical. So people in France might get these pop-ups, people in Zimbabwe might get these pop-ups, and people in New York might get the same pop-ups mentioning that there are 5 viruses, which is already pretty strange that the number of viruses is the same. And there is something really misleading about these pop-ups. They try to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. If you click on the proceed button, you will be redirected to some other junk resources that may promote a totally different software, not even the one that was initially advertised. So please don't tolerate these pop-ups, don't trust them, don't interact with them. Of course, first thing you could do and you should do is to check the control panel of your system and carefully uninstall all programs that you might find to be suspicious. If you do not remember installing them directly, get rid of them. We also recommend that you research your device additionally with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the software and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.